How to turn on Pick a Pic on Snapchat. To add this feature on your Snapchat application, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of Snapchat application. Once you check that, launch your Snapchat application and make sure you have logged into your account. Now from the top left, hit on your profile icon. From there, this page will be open. Now tap on Snapchat Plus. If you scroll down a little bit, there you will see Pick a Pic option. To use this feature, you have to use Snapchat Plus. For that, you have to pay certain amount to use it. Simply hit on the next and your payment process will be proceed, and then you will get Snapchat Plus and you can easily use Pick a Pic feature on Snapchat. In this way, you can easily turn on Pick a Pic on Snapchat. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.